Hello, Bio One class. This is Miss Foltz. Today we're going to be talking about your virtual lab. So the question is, how am I going to do this at home? Well, the first thing I can do is I can just use a plastic baggie, or I can use some type of cup that I have at home. It could be glass, it could be plastic. It doesn't really matter. And basically, what you're going to do is you're going to fill the baggie with some water, and you're going to put inside some type of fruit or vegetable. I think grapes work really well. You could use cucumbers, you could use potatoes, pretty much anything that's relatively solid. You wouldn't want to use something that is like a tomato where there's kind of a lot of liquidy to it. You could use an apple would be great. And so if you look at the lab here, and this is available on our LMS, you're going to have 3 cups or baggies, and you're just going to label them 1, 2, and 3 so you can keep track. In the first one, you're just going to keep it regular water. Okay, nothing else goes into it. In the second one, you're going to have a water with just a little bit of salt. Use like an eighth of a teaspoon, or even less. You could just do like just a pinch of salt. In the second one, you're going to put quite a bit of salt in it. So you want to put like lots of salt in it. You want to get it to the point where the salt dissolves, but you can tell that like there's quite a bit of salt in there and it's just dissolving for you. The goal is to put the same fruit, like a grape, in each one of them, and then watch those over time and see how the grape changes in those different solutions. You're going to let this run for 4 days. So once you get that done, you're going to take a picture of what they look like before. You're going to write down kind of a little note to yourself what they look like. You're going to kind of watch them over the 4 days. And then on the fourth day, take a picture after, pull them out of the bag, put them on like a paper towel or a plate, take a picture of them and see how they've changed. Are they bigger? Are they smaller? Are they firmer? Are they squishier? What's happened to them over that time? So on this sheet, you'll see there's a little pre-lab where you're just kind of guessing what you think is going to happen to it before and after in these 3 different cups. And then you're going to put your pictures right here. So when you're done with your pictures, you're just going to email those pictures to yourself, and then you can kind of save them and just put them right on that document right there so I can see that you did it. And then just a couple of questions like, were there differences between the cups? Uh, your guesses, your hypothesis on what was going to happen, was that right or wrong? And then did anything surprise you about this lab? Okay. So this is kind of what we're going to do. This is in place of the lab the kids are doing in class. In class, we're able to use scales and different things like that to kind of weigh things. You don't have that. So you're not going to have a measurement in terms of what's happening to the grape in terms of size, but you should still be able to let us know what happened in terms of texture and feel and color and things like that. Okay. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. I'll look forward to seeing your guys' labs. Please get those turned into me next week by Tuesday. Bye.